Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error value error your machine must be logged in to Hugging Face to debug a Gradio app locally. So you may be getting this error when you're trying to run your Hugging Face model in Google Colab or local. So let me show you how you can simply solve this. For this we need to first install Hugging Face Hub package. Just go to the new code. It's going to be !pip install space hugging face underscore hub, this one, and just run this. And next thing is you need to have Hugging Face access token. So for creating an access token, just Google Hugging Face, you'll be getting their website, and make sure that you are signing in. You need to create an account and sign into Hugging Face. Once you have done that, to the rightmost top you'll be having your profile. After you sign in, click the profile and go to settings, and here you'll be having access tokens. Click the access tokens and click on create new token, and we'll be having fine grained, read and write. So based upon your use case you can create a read or write token. So in my case I'll just go with read, and you need to give a name to the token. This can be of anything, so read or write, that's on you. You can just read it over here. Click on create token and copy this. This is the access token, and click on done. And in case if you don't want this token anymore, you can just invalidate and refresh it, or you can even like delete this. So if you delete it, it will go from the list. So let's go to our collab. Yeah, we have ran this package, and again go to a new code, and this time the command is going to be from Hugging Face underscore hub. Yeah, going to be import notebook login, and you need to just call the function over here, this notebook login function over here, and run it. And we'll be getting an space where we can put our Hugging Face token. Just paste the token over here and just click on login, and that's it. The login is successful. Python app.py. So I'll just run the exact same command now, and when running this command only I got the error Hugging Face value error something. So let me just now rerun that particular command. Now you can see I'm not getting any errors. If I run my app.py, I'm getting the local URL as well as the Gradio live URL. So this is basically working fine, and I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of tutorials in programming, OpenAI, Gemini AI, APIs and other AI tools, Hugging Face tutorials also. So check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.